Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add border to image in Google Docs. So let's start it. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, insert a image and going to the insert of image option and click for the upload from computer. Then click for the any image. Then we click for the image option and going to the border dash option and click for the border option and click for the 350 option. Then I show the add border to image in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.